How to remove multiple friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove multiple friends on your Snapchat. Now, without any further ado, let's move towards the video. First, you need to go ahead and open up Snapchat app. Then you need to tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on My Friends. Now, you'll be able to see all of your friends here. Let's say you want to remove some of your friends. You need to simply go ahead and tap on their name, and from here you can see an option that says Manage Friendship. Now you can see an option that says Remove Friend. Go ahead and tap on that, and then you need to tap on Remove. And once you do that, the friend will be removed from your account. Unfortunately, Snapchat does not have the feature to remove all the friends at once, so you need to follow the traditional method in order to remove the friends. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.